Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning all of you. My dear students, today discuss about pictographs. See here page number 46 from your course book. Page number 46 from your course book. See here. Abhishek went to a bakery and collect the week's wise burger sales data for the month of June. Let us make a pictograph by following the steps we have learned now. See here. Now here everybody draw table, week, next sale of burgers. See here, first week. So how many burgers sold? 65. Now second week 70. Third week 55. Now next fourth week. Fourth week 80. See here, this is the given data. This data can be represented as pictures, means pictograph. The given data represented in the form of pictures is known as pictograph. Then now I am writing here table for pictograph. Listen carefully. See here, this is the week. Now next sale of burgers. See here. So first week. First week means first week how many burgers? So 65 burgers. But everybody write down key. Each burger represent equals to 10 burgers. Means here write down key. Each burger represents 10 burgers. And half burger represents equals to 5 burgers. So this is the scale. Each burger can be represents 10 burgers and half burger can be represents 5 burgers. See here, 65 burgers. 65 burgers means 60 plus 5 burger. So 60 plus 5. 5 means this is half burger. Then 60, how many burgers you can draw? Means here 60 is divided by 10. So you can get 6 burgers. See here, the given number 65. This is half burger, no? So if we take total 65 is divided by 10. Means 10 6 60. Now 5 minus 0 you can get 5. Means you can represented as 6 burgers here. And 5 means, so 5 burgers equals to half burger. So then now here how many burgers you can draw? 6 burgers. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 burgers. Then 5 burgers means you can draw half burger. Did you understand? The given number 65 is divided by 10. You can get 6 and 5 is the remainder. Means you can draw 6 burgers, full of 6 burgers, and 5 means half burger is represented as 5 burgers. Then you can draw half burger. So 1 week is equals to, you can draw this like only full of 6 burgers and 1 half burger. Now next one is second week. Second week, how many burgers sold in second week? 70 burgers. 70 divided by 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 sevens are 7. So you can draw 7 burgers. 7 burgers. Then you can draw everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 burgers. Now next third week. Third week, see here 55 burgers means 55 is divided by 10. Now it can be written as just like only 10 5s are 50. 55 minus 50 you can get 5. So 5 full of burgers and half one burger. Then you can write here 5 burgers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 burgers and half burger. This is half burger. Did you understand? Now next week, that is the fourth week. So how many burgers sold beta? Fourth week, according to your given data, 80 burgers. Means 80 is divided by 10. 10 ones are 10 idea. So you can draw 8 burgers according to given information. See here, everybody draw full of 8 burgers means this is 1 burger, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See here, this is the pictograph according to the given information. Now next, answer the following questions. See, how many burgers were sold in the first week? How many burgers sold? Number of burgers sold in the first week? 6 full of burgers and half burger. Very easy, no? So here write down see first question answer. First question what? How many burgers were sold in the first week? Here number of burgers was sold. Number of burgers sold in the first week. In the first week, that is equals to 6 full burgers plus half burger. See here, 6 full burgers means here 1 burger is represented as equals to 10 burgers. So here 6 into 10, 6 into 10 plus half burger represents 1 half burger into 5. So that is 6 10s are 60 plus 1 5s are 5. You can get 65. Did you understand? Now next one is, in which week was the most number of burgers were sold? In which week was the most number of burgers sold? See, which week? Fourth week. So in fourth week, how many burgers were sold? 80 burgers. 80 burgers. Then write down second question answer. Second one is, from the pictogram, it can be seen that the number of burgers more in fourth week. So therefore most burgers were sold in week 4. That is. Now next one, in which week was the least number of burgers sold? Least number of burgers. So third week. Third week, how many burgers sold? 55 burgers only. See from the pictograph, third one. From the pictograph, it can be seen that the number of burgers is less than in third week, week 3. So therefore the least number of burgers were sold in week 3, third week. See now next page number 47. The apartment where Varun lives has 5 floors. Varun and his friends collected data about the number of people living on each floor in that apartment. Details regarding this information are given below in a tabular form. See here, first floor, number of people in each row. See here, how many people are there in each row? First floor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, 9 means here, one person, that is equals to 4 people. That the scale represents one person, that is equals to 4 persons, 4 people. See here, 9 people means, see here, 36. Now here, from the given data, see here, first floor, number of people 36, second floor, number of people 28, third floor and fourth floor. So 24, fourth floor 32 and fifth floor 40. See, according to the scale, you can draw a pictograph. Key, see here, floor. What is the pictograph? What is meant by pictograph? The given data, it can be written as in the form of pictures. In the form of pictures is known as pictograph. Then here floor. Now number of people. In each floor. So number of people. See here beta, listen carefully. First floor how many? So here 36 people. So how many persons can you draw here? C means one person, that is equals to 4 persons, means 36 is divided by 4, you can get answer. So 36 divided by 4 means 4 9 are 36. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you can draw 9 persons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now next, second floor. 28. So the total number of people 28. Then one person is represented 4 persons. So one person is equals to 4 persons, means 28 is divided by 4, you can get 4 7s are 28. So you can draw 7 persons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now next, third floor. Third floor. See here, 24. 24 is divided by 6. So how many here? So 4 6 are 24. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next, here, fourth floor. So fourth floor, how many here? 32. Then 32 is divided by 4, you can get 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now next, fifth floor. So now here, fifth floor, 40. 40 is divided by 4, you can get 10. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So if the total number of persons is given, you can draw pictograph. But the pictograph is given, then you can find out number of people. Find out number of people. See here. Now this is the first floor, second floor, third floor. See here. So you can find out number of people. See, in first floor, how many persons drawn beta? So first floor, 9 persons. See here. This is the, you can find out number of people. First you can find out pictograph. So this is, the pictograph is given, you can find out number of people living in each floor. See here, listen carefully. First floor, how many? 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. See, you can find out the total number of people living in first floor. See here, what is the scale? One person is equals to 4 persons. Means here, 9 persons, 9 into 4. 9 into 4, you can get 9 4s are 36. Now next one, in second floor, how many persons? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you can find out total number of people living in second floor. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 is multiplied with 4, you can get 7 4s are 28. Now next, third floor, 1 2 3 4 5 6 persons. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 is multiplied with 4, you can get 6 4s are 24. Because one person is represented as 4 persons. Now next, fourth floor. Fourth floor, how many beta? 8 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 for the 32. Now next fifth floor, how many persons? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can find out total number of people living in fifth floor. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is multiply with 5, you can get 50. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 person is equals to 4 persons. So 10 for the 40. Sorry, beta. 10 for the 40. Now here, first question. On which floor are the maximum number of people living? So 10 is the maximum number of pictures. So the maximum of 10 into 4, 40 people are living on the fifth floor. Now next, on which floor are the least number of people living? Least number of people where, beta? 24. See here. Now here, the least number of pictures are on third floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Is 6. So 6 is multiplied with 4. You can get 6 for the 24 people are living on the third floor. So now next, let us see how to create a pictograph from tally marks. This is very, very important. Everybody listen carefully. See here, beta. Let us see how to create a pictograph from tally marks. So tally marks table given according to your course book. Then you can find out by using this tally marks data. So you can draw pictograph. See here. Topic. And tally marks. See, this is the types of pizzas. Spicy triple tango. Next, Peppy paneer. Next, deluxe veggie. Next, pie pepper. See here, spicy triple tango, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Next, Peppy paneer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, 3. See here, 5 plus 5, 10. 15 plus 3, 18. Next, deluxe veggie 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15. Pepper, that is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the given data. See here, a pizza house has served 60 of its loyal customers to find out the top of 4 favorite vegetarian pizzas. Arrange the data by writing in it numbers. Make a pictograph based on the given tally marks and answer the following questions. See here, spicy triple tango. So tally marks 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So this one bundle it can represent 5. So 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 2 12. Pepper paneer 5 plus 5 10, 15 plus 3 18. Next deluxe veggie 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15. 5 pepper also 15. See here. See here. Which pizza topping is the least favorite? So here this is 5 plus 5 10. This is 12. This is 15 plus 18. 1 2 3. This is 15. Next this is also 15. See here. Which pizza topping the least favorite? So which pizza? Spicy triple tango. Pizza topping is the least favorite. Now next one is which two pizza toppings have the same number of votes? See here. Deluxe veggie and 5 pepper. Now next, how many people have voted for pepper paneer? How many people have voted for pepper paneer as their favorite? So pepper paneer, see here 18. Now next, which pizza topping has 6 more votes than spicy tango? So this is pepper paneer. So 18 minus 12, you can get 6 more than votes for pepper paneer. See here. Now this is the topping tally marks, and this tally marks so you can write in numbers. So here in numbers. So 12, 18, 15 and 15. See here, convert the tally marks to the numbers. So here 12, 18, 15 and 15. Then see here, now you can draw a pictograph. Now you can draw a pictograph. While you are drawing pictograph, first you can choose scale. So there is no scale. There is no scale. So here the tally marks in numbers 12, 18, 15, 15. 12, 18, 15 and 15. These numbers multiples of 3. So then one pizza is equals to, I have to take 3 people. One pizza is equals to, we have to take 3 people. That is the scale. Scale means key. See here. This is the tally marks. Tally marks is converted into numbers. So spicy triple tango, that is equals to, in numbers means that is 12. Next pepper paneer 18. Deluxe veggie 15 and 5 pepper 15. See here. While you are drawing pictograph, you need key, means scale. So according to this problem, did not give any scale. So we can conclude that 12, 18, 15 and 15, these numbers multiples of 3. Then you can write one pizza, that is equals to, you can take 3 people. So then write down here pictograph. So I can write it directly. So here key, E means scale beta. Key, that is represents on pizza, that represents 3 people. So now draw according to the your given data. So here topping means varieties of pizza. See here. Next tally marks already you know. Next, in numbers, next number of people. Number of people eaten by toppings means number of people. See here, first one is spicy tango, spicy triple triangle. So tally max 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12. Next, pepper paneer. Pepper paneer, that is 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Next, deluxe veggie. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, high pepper. That is also 15. So, this given information. So, here 12. Tally marks, this is 12, convert into numbers. 12 is divided by 3, you can get number of people. One pizza is equals to 3 people. So, 3 for the 12. So, you can draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next here, 18 is divided by 3, you can get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the figures, okay? Next, deluxe veggie 15. So 15 is divided by 3, you can get 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, this is also here 15. 15 is divided by 3, you can get 3 pizzas. 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here, spicy triple tango 12 divided by 3, you can get 3 4s are 12. Next 18 divided by 3, you can get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 15 is divided by 3, you can get 5. 3 5s are 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next this is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Okay, thank you everybody.